Muscles are the engine of the human body. They power every movement, from the blink of an eye to a powerful leap. This intricate network of over 600 muscles comprises a significant portion of our body weight, between 1/3 and 1/2. Muscles work in conjunction with connective tissues to provide structure, stability, and mobility. They enable us to interact with the world around us, performing tasks both mundane and extraordinary. Without muscles, we would be incapable of the simplest actions that define our daily lives. Muscles are not merely passive structures, they are dynamic and responsive. They possess the remarkable ability to adapt and change based on the demands placed upon them. This adaptability is what allows us to become stronger, faster, and more resilient through physical activity and training. Understanding how muscles grow and develop is crucial for anyone looking to improve their physical performance, whether they are an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone looking to enhance their overall health and well-being. Movement originates in the brain, the control center of the body. When we decide to move, the brain sends electrical signals down the spinal cord, carrying instructions to the specific muscles involved. These signals travel through specialized nerve cells called motor neurons, forming a complex communication network. Each motor neuron connects to a group of muscle fibers, forming what is known as a motor unit. When the signal reaches the neuromuscular junction, the point where the motor neuron meets the muscle fiber, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the muscle fiber, initiating a cascade of events that ultimately leads to muscle contraction. The coordinated contraction and relaxation of muscles, orchestrated by the brain, produce the smooth, controlled movements we rely on every day. Our muscles are remarkably adaptable, constantly adjusting to the demands we place upon them. When we engage in physical activity, especially strength training, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural and essential part of the muscle growth process. These tiny tears signal to the body that the muscle needs to become stronger to handle the increased workload. In response to this signal, the body initiates a repair and rebuilding process. Immune cells rush to the damaged area to clear away debris and initiate inflammation, a crucial step in the healing process. Specialized cells called satellite cells are activated and begin to multiply, migrating to the site of damage. These satellite cells are like stem cells for muscles, capable of differentiating into new muscle tissue. They fuse with existing muscle fibers, donating their nuclei and helping to repair the damage, making the muscle fibers larger and stronger than before. Muscle growth, scientifically known as hypertrophy, is a fascinating process that occurs at the cellular level. It's not simply about adding more muscle cells, rather, it's about increasing the size and strength of existing muscle fibers. Imagine each muscle fiber as a cable made up of smaller strands. When we engage in resistance training, we're essentially thickening and strengthening those individual strands, making the entire cable more robust. This intricate process relies heavily on a steady supply of building blocks, primarily protein. Protein provides the amino acids necessary to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Without adequate protein intake, our bodies would struggle to keep up with the demands of muscle repair and growth. Alongside protein, carbohydrates play a crucial role in providing the energy needed to fuel workouts and support the muscle-building process.